Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download Pinterest a video. So first, you just have to open your Pinterest. Now tap on the search icon to find a video that you want to download. Let's just say I'm looking for static decorations or decor, then I can just basically tap on the search icon here, go to the text box or search box, and then type decor. Now, if you're looking for videos, you must also include video so that you can search for videos only. If you don't, then you can see here pictures or videos. So you have to include decor videos as much as possible. And then here, what you're going to do next, locate the specific video that you want to download. Let's just say if you want to download this video right here. Once you tap the video, you will see a save button right here. But if you tap on the save button, then it will just save to your one of the boards that you have on your Pinterest. It will not download to your device. Also, if you tap the share icon above, it will just copy, you will just copy the link and that's it. So what you're going to do is you have to click this three dots. So as you can see, there's no download video. All you have to do is to copy the link or the code, and then you can go to a specific site such as pinterestdownloader.com, Snaptic that application, export SPH or expertsphp.com. Everything is up to you. And then what you're going to do is you have to paste the code right here. And then you should tap the download button and wait for a couple of seconds. Now tap on download here, click this three dots, and then tap on the download video again or download. Wait for a couple of seconds, go to your download folder, then you will see the video that you have downloaded from Pinterest. And that's how easy it is to download Pinterest video. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.